Hello everyone, I am Vivek Barguzar. I am currently pursuing BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication at MIT Academy of Engineering and Pune. So the this video is a part of our digital system design lab activity in which where we learn to implement real world application using logic gates and HDL program logic gates and Verilog HDL programming language. So here we have to take a basic circuit and the real world application which is and fire alarm system. So here we have to make a here I have to make one video on this system, and here I have used a Xilinx simulation for for making this circuit. So the concept of concept of the fire alarm system use two sensors. S stand for smoke and H stand for temperature heat sensor. So the output drives a an alarm as a buzzer. So the alarm trigger whenever either smoke or heat is detected, which is simple or gate. So the logic of this system is a a equal to S or H. So here I have used OR gate. So this is a combinational circuit, meaning the output depends on directly on the current inputs. So current input. So the Verilog construction in our design, we have to see in here we used essential Verilog constant first with the module, second with the input output, and third with the assign. In module defines the the module defines the circuit block and its interface. In output and input and output declaring signals entering and leaving the module. And third with the assign keyword. Assign is a keyword. So perform a continuous assignment for signal for a combination logic. Implement the OR operational operation here. And here we didn't need always or case statements since design is purely combinational, but they are useful in sequential circuit or sequential logic. So now here I have show you. So you have to see here, this is a very log code of this circuit. And whenever we have to click on the view RTL schematic, so here you have to see the RTL schematic. This is the circuit of this system. And after that, whenever we have to go the, whenever we have to go the circuit, and most of the most important here I have checked syntax also, and we have to synthesize XST, and now we have to go the simulation. So this is the simulation. So you can see here the simulation, and this is a code of that test band waveform which is here. Here we have to give the input like as a S and H with a 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 1, and the output we will see on the simulation which is here. So whenever we have to give the input as a 0 0, at that time the output be the high. It means the output be the 0. It means low. After that, whenever we have to give the input as a 0 1, at that time input be the 1. It means high. And if I give input as a 0 for a 0 and 1, so at that time the out input is a 1. And if I will give a 1 1 as input, at that time circuit be a 0. So here the conclusion is whenever the smoke sensor and heat sensor be the low, it means no detection. At that time the alarm will not be tuned, and other conditions alarm will always be tuned.